If you're looking for a way to level up to neighborhood grill master, adding a grill grate is the fastest and easiest way to get there. The patented raised rail design of the grill grate, an accessory specifically sized for your grill, is the key to its success. Traditional grill surfaces hold food over the heat, letting flames through and drippings fall away. Grill grates concentrate and spread the heat of any grill evenly over their surface and allow for precision searing. Drippings vaporize and inject moisture directly back into the food you are cooking. So how do grill grates actually work? Let's explore the science behind your grill's secret weapon. Grill grates are made of hard anodized aluminum. Similar to the way heat transfers electricity rapidly through a wire, hard anodized aluminum conducts heat way better than the cast iron or stainless steel of traditional grill surfaces. And when using a gas grill, this results in less fuel consumption with faster cooking time. And as a bonus, they never rust. The interlocking aluminum panels allow for coverage of the whole grill, or just a portion of it, depending on what you're cooking and how you choose to set up your grates. The panels also protect your food from flare-ups from the bottom plate. Our panels are reversible, and while cooking on the flat side, anything on the other side will be burnt off while exposed to heat, similar to a self-cleaning oven. GrillGrate's patented raised rail design conducts heat up the rails for precision searing. The holes in the GrillGrate panels create an even airflow to cook your food evenly and complement the perfect sear. GrillGrate's wide rails make perfect sear marks. Desired sear marks are the result of the Maillard reaction, which takes place when heat from your grill breaks down proteins into amino acids. At temperatures of 300 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these amino acids react with the meat and become tasty goodness, leaving a delicious sear on everything from steaks and burgers to veggies and fish. GrillGrate's valleys vaporize drippings for added flavor and moisture. Want an added boost of smoke flavor next time you grill a steak? Before placing the food on the grill, sprinkle some wood pellets down in the valleys of your grill grates and watch the magic happen. GrillGrate is an easy way to enhance your grilling experience and take your food's look and taste to the next level. If you're serious about your grill, head to our shop to learn more.